Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to your English class. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Allah. Students, let's pray for the ones who are suffering from illness and distress, and especially pray for our country for its prosperity and success. We have entered our 5th week together and I hope you are enjoying your learning. Students, today we are going to discuss our novel, that is King Solomon's Mine. You have already read chapter 1 and 2, so today we are going to discuss chapter 3. So, our today's lesson's targets are to recall chapter 1 and 2, read chapter 3 thoroughly, collect information about Great Road of Solomon, and read and underline new words. Before starting it, let's start with the recalling of chapter 1 and 2. So, are you ready? What we have read in chapter 1? Do you remember? Yes, in chapter 1, we have met Alan Quatermain, Sir Henry and Captain Good, who were our main characters. Do you remember them? Yes. Then, Alan got a map of King Solomon's mines given by Joe Silvestre. Sir Henry brother was missing while searching for the mine, and this map is going to help them. The three of them set on an expedition to look for Sir Henry's brother. In chapter 2, we have read that they have prepared their journey for the King Solomon mines and they have started their journey. On the journey, they have met Mbopa, who has helped them on their journey. While traveling, they finally reached the desert while following the map of Joe Silvestre. And in the desert, they find some difficulties, but they finally overcome them and they have found the water in the middle of the desert. This is the map which Joe Silvestre given to Alan, and from here they have started their journey. And through facing all the difficulties, finally they will reach King Solomon's mine. Right now, till chapter 2, they are still here and they have to cover all this thing. Is that clear, beta? I hope so. As you have already read chapter 1 and 2, beta, so let me ask you a few questions. So, are you ready for the quiz? Let's start it. So, my first question to you is, where did three of them, Alan, Sir Henry and Captain Good, meet? Yes, you're right. But wait a minute for a minute. Let's see your answers are correct or not. Who gave the map to mines to Alan Quatermain? And what is the name of Sir Henry Curtis' brother? Yes, you are all quite right, but let's see the correct answers. Yes, they have met on a ship. Joe Silvestre gave the map to Alan, and Sir Henry's brother name is? Yes, you all are right. It was Neville. So students, we have discussed chapter 1 and 2. And now let's set some objectives for our chapter 3. So are you ready? Let's start it. So by the end of the lesson, that means chapter 3, you will be able to discuss what happened in chapter 3. Tell about the dangers of traveling in desert and tell about Great Road of Solomon. Now, these are the points which will be discussed in detail in your chapter 3. So, let's start the chapter 3 reading. So, are you ready to listen to it? Let's start it. You will read your novel on your own and find out the answers about the Great Road and the traveling in the desert. So start your reading. Have you read the chapter? Very good. Now what we have read in this chapter? Yes, we have read about that Alan Quatermain, Henry and Captain Good and Mbopa, they reached a place where they can have some water and some melons. And then they started their journey and they reached a cave. In the cave, they have found the dead body of Joe Silvestre. They were quite shocked to see him, and also some pictures were drawn on the walls of the cave, which tells them about Solomon's Great Road. Yes, it's the same road which will lead them towards their actual destination, that is Solomon's Mines. They continued their journey, but they were attacked by some people who were natives, and finally they were reached to Kokana Valley. I hope you have read it carefully and you are now able to discuss all the points. So your today's assignment is read the chapter again and do the back exercise which is given at the back of the book. Is that clear, beta? Now let's recap what we have read today. We have read events happen about in chapter 3. Yes, the main event was that they have found the dead body of Joe Silvestre and they have reached Kokana Valley. You can also watch its movie on this link. It is a great movie. You can enjoy it. Now, I hope my lecture helped you out. Thank you very much and Allah Hafiz.